And welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today I am going to show you how I make simple dado cuts using my Radial Arm Saw. It is a 1974 Sears Craftsman model and still works well. I will be using this 2x4 scrap to demo how I do this. So say I want to make a dado for this 1x material in it. First, I'm going to start off by using a square to create one edge. And then I will place my material that I want the dado to be cut right on that line. And score or draw another line. So now I know the thickness. Next, I set the height on my radial arm saw to how thick I want the dado cut to be. About like that. And then I just line it up and make the cuts. So here we go. Getting pretty close, so I'm going to test it. That's a pretty good fit. A nice tight fit. And there we go. It's one good thing about this radial arm saw. It makes dado cutting easy. So, and you can do it at all kind of odd angles. You would just set your material up at the angle you want. Pretty easy and pretty handy. So I hope this little tip helps you. And if you do like this video, please subscribe to this channel and leave comments below. I thank you for watching, and as always, God bless.